So guys, I want to ask one question for all of you. Everyone have a goal. Is it true or? Yes. So good evening one and all. My name is Kranti Biradar. Today our team represent the consistency needs to success. So I want to ask Mukund, what is success?
Success is a time management.
Okay, yes, correct. And it is also dream, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Dream transfer into thoughts, and thoughts become result in action, and this action we call as a success. So, what says Ansar?
Yeah, success do not purchase in market.
Correct.
We will successful not immediately but confidently.
Yes.
And when we can show the pages of successful person, that time we can decide that. And we example about the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar.
Correct.
He wrote the constitution of our country.
Yes.
And we need to patience. When we can found the MPSC or UPSC student, he struggling 7 or 8 year, and he was studying regularly.
Yes. All of you know the MPSC and UPSC students are do hard work and they study 6 or 8 hours. Consistency. Their consistency work when they get their success. Yes, correct or not?
Yes. Yeah, Kranti, you are absolutely right. I would like to add something.
Okay, why not?
A negative mind never get this positive life.
Yes. Our for achieving success, our mind become you have to maintain our mind also and our thoughts.
Yeah. And healthy body is a one way of success.
Yes, correct.
APJ Abdul Kalam belonged to poor family, and he was a president of our country. That is not joke.
Yes,
He
yes.
is consistency and his patience and his hard work.
Yes,
He is
correct.
a definition of success.
Yes, that's the point. It means every successful person not sit in front. They also can sit back also. They yes and yes, correct. You all reads only successful stories, but you should have to read failure stories also.
Without practice, regularity,
Yes.
and time management and consistency,
Correct.
we cannot achieve our goal. Condition number 1, we can set our goal.
Correct.
And starting for that.
So I want to say all of us, when we make mistakes, then we become a successful. So you have do mistake and get success. So thank you.
Do you fear to get engaged in conversations? Afraid of stage? Due to this, losing big career opportunities? Then we are here for you. Oxbridge Spoken English Academy. Feel the fluent speaking, basic grammar, spoken English, stage courage, personality development. Then hurry up. What are you waiting for? Oxbridge, your search for spoken English training ends here.